Little baby got it. Oh, she live at the party. Popping angles on the film. And my Chanel. Views been going up. We just got an M. She just bought it beans. Yeah, my girl go see.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back to you with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this super cute curly ponytail. And if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright y'all, we are going to speed straight through this. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair and just detangling all my curls so I can get a sleek and smooth top knot ponytail. So I am just using my Demon Style brush and getting my hair all brushing upward, and here I'm using a bristle brush to smooth it down. Once you do this, you want to take your hair tie, and I have kind of the elongated hair tie, and then I am just making my ponytail fairly tight but not too tight, and then making sure my edges are laid down. And then you want to make sure that your ponytail is fully detangled, so I'm just going through that again, and then I am braiding this ponytail about halfway down. So this is what the hair looks like. It is the Longqi hair. This is their Cambodian hair, and it is 20 inches, and I already have a video on how I do my sleek low ponytails and attach the weave, so I'm just attaching it with a rubber band to the end of my braid and twisting it down, and then proceeding to wrap both of the bundles up my braid. I did have to do this 2 times to get it like nice and snug and full, but you know, practice makes perfect. So you want to keep wrapping your hair up, and you want to make sure you pace it so you end at the base of your ponytail. You don't want it to be all stretched out at the top, because that's where you're going to be able to see it the most. Now to secure the bundles, I'll take the hair and continue wrapping it around the base of the ponytail, and I first saw this method from Tiara Walker, which is really nice because it does help tighten your ponytail, securing your bundles. And this is what the ponytail is looking like. Next, I am taking my water bottle, and I'm just using this spray bottle to refresh the curls, and then I'm gonna take another piece of hair just to make sure that I have that cute, you know, editorial looking hair tie made with the hair, I guess. And then I'm taking off my headscarf, making sure my baby hairs are laid to the gauze, and this is pretty much it. Super easy and super cute. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I will say I did film this twice because it is so hard to make sure you're keeping up with both of the tracks when you're using 2 bundles and wrapping them at the same time. But I hope you guys kind of saw what I was doing there, you know what I'm saying. I do have another video on my channel of this same ponytail method, but in a sleek low bun. So I'll make sure to link that up here if you're interested in checking out that video. Thank you, Longqi Hair, for sponsoring this video. I've worked with this company multiple times, and their hair is bomb quality. All of the products that I've gotten from them, whether I purchased them or it's been sent to me, they've all been good quality hair. This is their Cambodian curly hair. I'll leave all the links in the description box below of the specific links. I have 2 20 inches in my hair right now, and I'll probably add a 3rd bundle just to get some more volume. But links to this hair will be in the description box below, and if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and check that out. And I also have an Amazon shop now, guys, so make sure you check out my Amazon shop. The link will be down below for any like materials that I use to do my hair, makeup, things like that. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Whoa, I totally like forgot to give y'all the quote. Y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tip all. Bye guys.
Little baby got it. Oh, she live at a party. Popping angles on the film. And my Chanel. Views been going up. We just got an M. She just bought it beans. Yeah, my girl.